In probably one of the most exciting experiences selling shoes today, Lakshman Prasad Sharma from Mehuna aka Zaid Khan is coming to the store with his two sons to buy some shoes. I am a very big Mehuna fan. It's very exciting for me. But let's get into it and see how this plays out. I'm very excited. Full fanboy, life coming full circle moment here for me. Let's get into it.
Like you seem like you already have a bit of swag. So like where did that come from? Because that's like naturally.
No, man, this is Lakshman Prasad Sharma swag.
So it's like DNA shit.
Yeah, style came from. I mean, it was always like I was looking at it, I was like, this is cool shit, you know.
No, but like when you, for instance, when was it you picked up the call and you said, man, my first shoe I'm gonna sell, my first trade I'm gonna do.
When
did that kick in?
First, when I read about shoes online, it was like a big culture shock. Growing up, there was no, it was not a thing to buy anything so expensive. And then I heard of a sneaker releasing in Bombay, and I came to Bombay in a bus, and I stood in that line already. I filmed it, and I managed to get that one shoe. I bought it 25 grand from my dad. I got that one shoe and I sold it on OLX for 42 grand. It was like,
whoa,
it's cool.
You saw
This is really
saw
cool.
it happening.
And then we started doing videos on YouTube because we didn't have money to buy inventory.
Okay.
And I went from one shoe to another, and then just slowly grew. And then I realized that this can be so much more. You know, and today we're still sort of figuring out where it can go. But it was cool.
I mean, for the niche market that it is,
yeah.
that in itself is amazing because I can tell you, this kind of stuff easily lends itself to like so many other verticals, right? Whether it's the music industry, the film industry, the sports industry, you know,
it's fashion,
and that's like a huge.
It's a good opportunity, especially.
Yeah.
And then we realized that there's bigger value in being able to do something that belongs to us.
Right.
And we started building on things like that, and our own brand. We're building thrift now, which is like pre-owned luxury. All of those things seem like large opportunities. When do you get into sneakers? You're really like with it, you know.
No, dude. I you know, honestly, I was a bit of a bizarre like kind of. I used to always love like going loud. You know, and I used to love colors, and I think I was very like I was like one of those, you know, 90s kid, you know, where it was like baggy and it was like all, you know, Jordan era. And I remember I used to also like wear all these loose clothes like all these buggers were wearing. And my father was most embarrassed. He's like, ये क्या कह रहे हो? चड्डी दिखाई दे रही है तुम्हारी. You know,
It's fashion.
so it was, so like from there itself, you know, that started off.
Built.
Yeah, it built.
And then you got the kids into sneakers. They want or
Man, honestly, this guy is like a basketball pro out there.
Oh, sick.
So he plays for his school now. He's like heading towards.
On the spot.
And he's like he breathes it, you know. So I get all my news from him.
Nice. What are you going to get today?
What am I gonna get today, man?
You leave your Mac sometimes? That thing.
That's a bit cringe. I don't know.
I think you and Ari twinned once.
Did we?
Yeah,
We twinned on the biohacks, didn't we?
So when we went for that film first time, you copied my PSG take.
I copied your PSG take. Oh, thank you. Like you invented them. Thank you, Ari.
Fashion inspo, man. I
Yeah,
see it. Well dressed kid.
He's a
well-dressed
little
kid.
politician.
But what are you looking to get?
I really like these. I don't know why, man.
Yeah.
I just
Classic
love
blazers,
the
man.
simplicity of these, and
Beautiful shoes.
you know, they can they practically can go with just about anything.
They're very clean.
You know, yeah.
Super clean with a little green. I love the green.
And it gives you that little Wimbledon kind of feel.
Yeah.
You know, this is something I've asked your guys.
Yeah, we get size. Easy.
Blazers.
Blazers.
Pretty this.
Classic.
Ari, I think he picked up these. The KDs.
Nice.
Because these are
Yeah,
damn good
basketball
basketball
shoes.
shoes.
We
you know.
find them, man.
But I
That's
think
no problem.
they're finding it, so
We'll get them in your size. Put it together.
these are definitely I can. He's, you know, one day you should come and hang out with him and understand a bit about shoes. He's already got a collection of 6 which he's stacked up.
Oh, lovely.
And he doesn't touch.
Nice.
Huh?
Why would he touch them? You know where them?
In the future, I'll sell them.
And this, I like it. I like it.
Oh, you
I'll
got.
say I wore them 3 times. I'll take down the price a bit for that
Nice.
and sell them.
So the price would have gone up. So you'll make money?
Yeah.
Nice.
But yeah, no, I'm really I like very clean stuff,
yeah.
you know.
I see the blazers. You like these?
These are the Air Force ones, no?
No, these are Jordan
These are
4s,
Jordan
like what he's
4s.
wearing.
Jordan 4.
Pine green colorway.
I mean, like, they're bulky for me, you know.
For me,
yeah?
I'm being
Yeah.
honest, Papa. I think you like these ones more if they were clean.
Nice.
If they were clean.
They're dirty.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got that. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You're too funny, dude.
I like the white and red one.
Which one? This one?
All Jordan 4s.
Yeah.
I
So
don't know
nice.
what he's wearing.
How much are these for?
How much are
You
these?
can check in the back.
These are, I think, 25, roughly. 26, 399. Red cement Jordan 4.
Siddharth, you like these?
Yeah.
What size are you?
You get 10 also.
Okay.
You want these? Try them on.
Papa, I'm
You have a
asking.
UK 10
I
in the
like
military dress?
I'll check. I don't have it right now, but you can check.
What's your favorite shoe of all time? You could have any shoe in the world, what are you getting?
Back to the future.
Ooh.
Oh, the $75,000
Yeah.
ones?
Yes.
I flex to my friends. Can
I'll
your,
disown you as my son if you're
can
buying
your
it.
shoes
Lace
tie
themselves.
themselves?
But there's also $300 shoes that can lace themselves, you know.
Huh? And those
Let's see what
clothes.
you guys got.
Yeah.
So you got some gear, some more gear.
We're going
more
on,
gear.
We're going on gear stuff. Huh?
Palm Angels, and some more gear. I love this. This is a great this
one's
light also.
No, but I'm really happy that you guys are doing this shit, man.
I'm glad, man.
Really,
I
I really somebody had to like kind of.
No,
do
you'll
it
see
somewhere.
as Mehak keeps building on it.
Sorry.
As Mehak builds on it, it's gonna get better. These slides?
These are mine.
Are you gonna show us some skills or are you gonna?
He did some dribbling, man.
Come on, go. Without seeing, without watching the ball.
Oof.
Yeah.
Let's go. I can only pass it back.
Super.
So good, man.
Check it
How
out.
old are you, Ali?
Oh, 12.
Damn.
And I'm good, bro. I'm really
You
stocked.
got enough?
I'm stocked
You can
up.
share the military.
No, I was like, sometimes it's almost criminal. So
I look forward to seeing you wear the clothes, man. Come, let's load it up.
I'm gonna. Hey,
What is-
did I also get one of those track pants? That
black one.
Zidane had?
Yeah.
There are two. This is
You want
one
two
for
pairs,
him.
please?
Even I want one. I think the two pairs. I think
This is
it's the
size
same.
S.
Yeah.
For you?
S.
Oh, this is S.
Fits me like.
I think
Medium.
M will.
Yeah, medium.
Medium.
Fit.
Yeah.
M in the black snobs and S. The basic, the crew neck is for who? Sweet.
But is this your size? It looks a bit small.
It's slightly cropped.
Cropped.
Oh, it's a
Slightly
crop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll reach here.
Okay.
Yeah, you wear on top of it.
Cool.
T-shirt, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I really wish you the best and I
Thank
wish your audience.
Thank you.
all- He's a great guy. Come
I
here.
appreciate it.
Come and shop.
That's so sweet of you.
He's a smooth operator. You know, before you know it, it's like it's like the ATM machine. Yeah.
That's
No,
what we're
but
going
it's-
for, man. That's what we're going for. So I put together a bunch of good stuff for you and the kids.
Yeah, man. My son met him like at a friend's house, and he said, "I'm coming to your store, and that's the damages that daddy has to like pick up." So yeah, great stuff though.
Thank you, man.
Amazing
We
stuff.
appreciate you coming.
And then we
It's so
picked up
nice
some.
to have you.
It was so nice to have you
Yeah.
here. Take us to
No,
the store.
definitely.
You got a good team around.
That's right,
So
man.
good luck to all you guys, man.
Yeah.
You
Let's
know.
get a photo with the boys.
Yeah, sure, come.